Hello everybody. Uh, Today we are in the park with my Nikon Coolpix P1000. We will test a camera in practice uh, with my daughter as well, a big helper. So what we got? We got a microphone, external microphone on this camera, which include a dead cat, because these parts will be reduce a noise from a wind. And another thing what I take, it's remote control, which is really helpful to take a picture of the animals or birds if you want to do closer. First, what we're gonna do, we will connect this remote with a camera. So we start camera, press menu, and have to connection, choose connection, remote control, connect to remote, and now I have to hold it for 3 seconds. Yeah, that's it. I can use this. So next step will be press this button, and we can try it to zoom first. So and take a picture, maybe. Yeah, we got try to do closer, max optical zoom. Yeah, and take a picture again. That's good. And now maybe we try to do some video. All right, so it's 4K video already, which maximum optical zoom. I try to use digital zoom. Yeah, as you can see, I use a big tripod to this camera. So big camera, big tripod, because this camera actually is 1.5 kilogram weight. So that's the perfect. Not very expensive. It's a good brand as well, I think. So you should be happy about this. All right. We try to now get back a little bit, and we see again, we get a focus on this video when we back to the same place, or will be blur or will be sharp. As you can see, the picture is still very sharp. So it's I think this camera. It's much better than P900. I recommend this. Good fun and good place to watching birds, as you can see. So thank you very much for watching my video, and thanks for likes and subscribes. See you next time.